Yeah. Cool.
There's a line.
Yeah. Well, the app says it's Starlink.
Oh, that's a long line.
I'd have to double check, but it might be.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Like a big snake.
It's a space worm.
Space worm.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Wow. That beats the last one
Um,
in length.
well,
Well, I didn't see the last one.
yeah, yeah,
It's clear video.
it's getting pretty bright.
Wow, look at that. It's right in the clear spot.
You have to move this around a little bit.
Yeah, it's bright.
I'm not sure if I lined this up correctly, but it ought to.
It's not going to go out before it
Mm-hmm. So I think maybe if I move to the right instead. Alright, bear with me.
really brightened up.
You might lose in the clouds.
It's headed toward cloud.
One more time. I think it's more than the clouds that it's. Can't be sure.
It's probably phasing out anyway.
Mm-hmm. So I don't see any trace of them now.
Yeah, well, that was a good shot.
Yeah, especially when they're really close together and very bright.
Yeah, actually, we started seeing it when it was behind the cloud.
Thanks for watching.